Hi, today I'm going to show you how to set your video recording on your iPhone or your Android phone if you have one, but today I'm going to be using an iPhone to showcase it. So first you're going to go into your settings. You're going to look for your camera down here. You're going to go into record video, and here you will have many different options to choose from in terms of which recording setting that you want to use. Sometimes it is defaulted at 1080p. I prefer to shoot at 4K at 24 frames per second for better quality video, and you actually will get the better lighting options with that setting. In addition to that, you can also just go into your camera setting. Some people might not know this. When they go into the video itself, you can actually scroll to the top and just tap on what setting they want, and it will bring up the quick 4K at 30 frames or HD at 30 frames if you want to switch back to those other two settings. But like I said, I prefer to shoot in at 24 frames per second just because the motion is much more natural. And that's it. That's how to change your video resolution on your phone. And we will see you in the next video.